This screen user inputted, you log in and input data. That's user interface. Input data and each user has its own client. Okay, I call it ERP client. ERP server is one or more database to store data. Store data of the company. Company has many data, many data that need a database. You cannot use Excel or SS data to resolve this question. Resolve. Yes. You need a big, just like an Oracle or SQL Server or Sybase. Such database can resolve the company needs, resolve the questions of company. Yeah. Which usually one or more server in a company. Usually a database, we usually use a database in a server. If you need three or four server database, you maybe need 3 or more server, 4 server here. And each client, each user has a computer, desktop or notebook. Each user has, and connect with the server using TCP/IP. You know TCP/IP? Yes. It's a network protocol. Yes. Okay. So that's the structure. This is the I developed in Java, the script. There's ERP system, human resource module, and it's a lead partition. If your employee want to tackle today to tomorrow, you must fill this is a number, the fill number, and the system date under the applied status, and you send to your manager. He will approve that through this field. And which kind do you leave? Do you tackle? Which kind? It means if you get married, you will choose the married kind. If your father parents die, you will choose another kind, such as. And you will choose today to tomorrow. You will choose the begin day to end day, and the begin time to end time. Maybe today afternoon to tomorrow 6 maybe to tomorrow. And the reasons. It's a user interface you must deal with if you want to tackle. You must build this, and company got the data that every employee they tackle of this month. You have the list. Okay, this is what I programming. Okay. And the program needs fully, and I will show you later. Okay. Okay, this, sorry, I'm very thirsty. And then, this is a business tree petition. Business tree petition that the employee must choose what project you go to the business tree, and the date, the period, from begin day to end day, begin time to end time, and the place you go to where you go to, and the traffic you take, or the mobile you take. If we go to Vietnam, if we go to China, we have another mobile take with. You cannot take the mobile you use here. No. Cannot work. And save. Press the save. Then you set for bills. That anyone in the company will know today you go to where. You know that the data is important to the company because everyone happens something. Everyone know that. Okay. each employee having something, go to where, do something, then everyone knows that because the company needs to know everything. So the ERP gather the data, gather everyone's data together. Set and this data is in system in the company. Okay. This is a single row, one bill. You view one bill is a user interface for single row. Okay. Then I'll show you the engineer of my company. My company is an engineering company. We check the big project in Vietnam, in Indonesia, in many countries, Japan, China, to build a big machine, and the engineer of my company must write the man hour a day. Must write 8 hours a day for their work. And so this is a multiple roles user interface. You can add 3 roles at a time and set at the same time. Okay, this is a multiple input user interface. If you want to develop a system, you must, if you have the chance to take a look at the system, you must focus it. Because I have no teacher to tell me how to develop the system. I try my best to do it. Well, I have no teachers. I learned Java by myself. I buy many books, Java books, and I studied the Java programming by myself. My teacher is books. I have no one to tell me a big system how to develop it. So if you have the chance to take a look, you must, if you want to be a programmer, you must focus and listen. Okay. If you don't want to don't want to do programming, then you can sleep right now. Okay. No. really, because it's important. Because exactly, I have no teacher tell me how to do that. Because I want to develop a system, a big system for company use. So I think for myself, I think all the time, all the day, thinking how to develop a user interface. So you must know how the logical of the system. You must know. I show you that the multiple rows. You need to, if you write a program, you need to deal with the multiple row. You got to know how to handle a multiple row. No one will tell you. So this is a man-hour day, man-hour time, and word item in Chinese. And this is the man-hour numbers, 8 hours or 3 hours, and the description. You can set, press the set, then it will set 3 rows, 3 man-hours, 3 data, 3 records, and into database. Okay, this is the man-hour, it's a multiple rows. And I will show you the code that I use later. This is another, if you go to business trip, you will take airplane, you will take train. You need to cost some money because business trip. So you will need to apply a business fee, apply money that you cost for the company. You must take it back. You apply the how many? This is the NT dollars, and write the money behind this column. I cannot show for just a screen. I cannot show fully columns. And you choose what business trip deal is, and no one just key in key in what time, what date, what place that you go to, you want to apply some money, train money or airplane money, okay? Just say that the financial department will give you money next month. Okay, that's the system the company needs. You just take a look. This is the flow of that I developed in this company. First, I will First, I would discuss with user, and they do not know computer well, so you must try your best to figure out what they need. Okay, so user requirement is very important. You get their input, get their requirement. You can write a system analyze document. Okay, the document is the specification spec of the program. Okay, you write it down. You got many rules. How to do that, such as I want to write the sign card. How to sign card? How to sign card every day? How to transfer the sign card? Sign card means that you go to the company, you must beep the door open. Okay, that's sign card. Okay. And you just list the rule clearly, and you make sure you discuss with user. This rule is right. It's right. If any wrong, you have to fix it and modify it. And if the rule is right, then you develop a system. Develop a system means you write programs. Okay. Write programs and test. And when you're done, you demo the system. Demo the system, then the manager see the function is look like, and they will tell you, okay, this version is okay. Then you can announce this version and educate the employee. You can create you can have a educate class, just such as today's class. Announce and educate. Now the function is just running in the company. Okay. And I will show you Boolean operation in Java. How do I use it? Simple one is check current record. It's in the user interface. That before I show you the man hour, right? Man hour key in the. This is a multiple row, right? Multiple row. When the users press the set button, the program must know this row is at the row or not. Everyone from first row to last row is at the row or not. Because you can query the data first, then you add row, or for the last row is at the row. The 1, 2, 3 row is the query row. That is not editable. Okay, the user can do anything they want. Your program must check many things. So if I need to check the multiple rows, which one is any row? If I check any row, then I set the any row. Okay. First, I will check the record of multiple row, the table. that means a table. Multiple row means a table. One from first row to last row in the editable table is add a row or not. Okay. The pseudo code is here. I check the date. The main hour date is editable, and the main hour count is editable. Then it return true. Return true means it's add a row. So if you need to check something, you need to use the boolean and or. Your program has a lot of check. It needs a lot of boolean. Okay. If I just use the check the date and check the count of the two counts is editable, then I know that this row is add row. Then I will do something. I will write this record into insert into SQL syntax into DB, send to DB. Then DB will create this row. Okay, this is add row. It's this expression and this expression true and true, also true, and both true. Then you get a result true. Then I can do something. If anyone false, I can't set this row. Okay, it means this is not the add row. Okay. So I check. This the sample is checked if this is update row. Update row. Update row is the same different from the add row. Add row is this data is not exist in database. Update row means you query the data and you choose modify this record. It's already in the database. You want to modify some columns, some contents of columns. Maybe you want to modify the description or the word item. It's not the word item. I want to change it to another word item. And then you check. Is this record? I check. First, I check date is editable. Time is editable. This is the same with the add row. And the difference is I also check the sequence number is not empty. It means that if I just write in the main hour. If I set to the database, I will give it a sequence number. In this record, I will give it sequence number. If this sequence number is not empty, means it is update row. If sequence number is empty, it means it is add row. You will think, maybe I checked into maybe none. Because I would this user interface I just separate to add the row mode, add the mode, and the modify mode. If you get into add the mode, if you get into add the mode, then I will choose this add the row. Okay. Because add the mode, the user interface. When you press add, it will give you an empty row. And this user interface will go into add mode. Okay. Then if you press set, I will check this row is query row or add row. This row is query row or add row. It could happen together. Okay. It may happen together. The user maybe query the data first, and then press once, and the next one is add row, and the 1, 2, 3 is query row. So I must check in the add row. Must check which one is add row, then I add the data to the database. So this is what I need to use program. You use program boolean. if I press the query the data and I press the update button, the data will go into the update mode. If you press save, then I will check editable, and the sequence number is not empty, then I will return true, means this row is an update row. This is the Boolean use, simple Boolean use. You will use Boolean everywhere in the program. Okay, 3 and. If you want to check one condition true, two condition true, three condition true, both true, then you get result true. Then you use the and. And true, and the result true. So the end, I almost use the end because the company system. And you cannot, you just check the true, then you can do something. The program does that. If you want to check the error, I use OR in a kind of check error. If this condition, if error 1 or if error 2 or if error 3, then it means error. Okay. So I use OR in a lot of error check. Okay. I use and in a lot of do something check. Okay. And simple 3, my company, my boss in my company, the big arrive late, employee arrive late is very important. I subtract my bonus every year, almost 10,000 NT dollars every year. Because I'm arrived late many times. So this is I write. This is the arrive late check is what I write. Is I write. Okay. They will check the employee late arrival for whole days. The employee must go to the company before 9 o'clock. If you arrive to the company and you just beep the sign card, beep, and the time is from 9:01 to 9:30, then you will get an arrive late record. If you go sign card beep, get 9:31, then you must fill the take-off petition. Okay, it means you don't have you don't to go to the you don't allow to go to in the invalid time. 9:31 it's not arrived late. You must take off. Okay, so I check because the boss cares this. So I check if the employee sign time is from 9:01 and 9:30, then he will get the arrive late record. And match time is the employee that report their man hour a day. Okay, if the employee is into the company, then I'll check sign time. If he or she go to the business trip, then do not check it at all. The B time means the time you go into the BB the sign time. The B time too means the less time the company allowed. Allowed time means the 30 minutes. You have 30 minutes to go to the company. If it's more than 30 minutes, you must check off. That's the rule. So I write a Boolean. That's for the whole day check. Whole day. Man hours is for 8 hours. Check. First, I will check man hour more than 8 hours. Then I use two expressions. First, you go to your sign time is more than 9 o'clock, and your sign time less than 9:30. The arrive late like true. Okay, that's a simple. Okay, simple. And means any condition must true, then the result true. So if you need to check exactly the condition, you need and yes. Another check is if you report the main hour, and you fill the leave petition you want to take off, the program must check this day is holiday, Sunday, Saturday or not. If employee then report a main hour day is Sunday, then they cannot set. If you take off Sunday, you cannot set. It's still be daytime. Okay, you cannot choose the Sunday, so we must check the invalid daytime. In the program, many check. Okay, these are many check. So if you want to check something, you will use boolean here. The begin time of leave petition is Sunday, or is Saturday, or holiday. Holiday means the government decide. Okay, decide today. We do not have to go to work or go to class. It means holiday. If one condition happened, you cannot send show error message. Okay, that's all. So you need a lot of boolean in the programming. Okay, I will show you the exactly program that I write. This is just a simple sample. I will show you other exactly program.
老师，你要来讲一下我稍微 demo 另外一个我的程式而已。那再说明一下，因为我现在要表达。
About the groups table, you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. The condition is true, and so is and the same our and get we design maybe send the consumption, maybe use software as this send.
OK， 有一开始秀词，还好，我就说跟真实的状况是这样。我要大一点哦。
This is exactly program that I check every employee that arrive late or leave company too early every day in a month. The report. Okay, I write the report. And I check whole day. This is I show you just before. And I check half day. Half day. If you just go go to work half day, then you will check. You arrive at 9 o'clock or 11 or 13 o'clock. 13 o'clock. Okay. They will afternoon arrive and the morning arrive. Okay. You will check two kinds. So this is a morning arrive. I check the end time. I will know it's a morning arrive. Okay. Okay. If afternoon arrive the company, the check begin time, later time, some normal, many things. This is early leaving. Early leaving means you leave company too early, less than 8 hours. So you have an invalid record. Okay. You must stay in company for 8 hours completely. Okay. So I will check if you sign KBB in just 7 hours and 31 minutes, or you cannot. You have an invalid record. Okay. So I check for condition 1, condition 2, condition 3 must true, all true. Then I will choose, this status is what status. This is the end. You need to figure out how do you check something, and you got to condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, condition 4. You got to end. You both true or 1, 2, just true. You use over. Both true, use and. Just like that. The real program is, this is complicated. Yeah, I write this program. I just think by myself, think a day and a day and a day. I write a system, analyze document, and then think, I almost do not figure out how can I do that. So I think, how can I write it? I don't. I think this for many times. Yes. So if you write this program to check the because an employee in the company had a lot of data. It has a day, 8 hours. It has a lot of day. First begin time that 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock is the company allow you arrive the company, and then you have arrived late time period. Then you have a time you need to take off if you has a lot of time. A lot of time you need to check. Or time 1, time 2, condition, many condition to check with. I want to tell you that you need to use the bullet and over a lot. So you have to train yourself. You need to have strongly logical concept. You need to, because anything you need to check, no one will teach you. Okay. If you're writing a program, you must figure out by yourself. So you must when you started this class, you must get yourself to a strongly logical concept. You will done this challenge. Okay. Because the manager do not know how to check. Anyone cannot know. Both know they want to know arrive date, but they are not know the rules. You must figure out the rules by yourself. Okay, that's it. And I want to know anyone has a questions. Okay, anyone has questions? You can hands up. You can hands up. If you has any questions, have any? This is the program that write of my company. Usually, such a program, such a system is a software and company develop and sell to other companies. And because I want to write a big system, so I write it by myself. So it needs a lot of skill. You need to get many program tips because I do not bring the source code that I quoted. It has a lot of files. when you see it, you will shock. Oh, a lot of things you need to learn. Okay. And anyone has questions in programming a system? Are you interested in programming?
Yes, but so confused.
But what? But what?
Interesting, but so confused. Yes, a lot of problem.
Confused.
Yes, I do agree.
You do not know how the system work with, right? Or something. You do not know the system. How to you be a user to a system? You need to take.
一看就看不懂，
啊？
一看就看不懂。
他就看不懂哦，你会说国语啊？哦，对对对，就是说你们 you first you run the program, you must know it well. You must know the system, how to operation. So you have the chance to check the system. You must listen very clearly.
Oh.
Yeah. No one will teach you. No one teach me. I want to write, so I just try my best to take a look at books or something. Yes. No one will teach you. You just think by myself. Such as this is a main hour check. This is for example, my manager, the financial manager, the human resource company, human resource department manager, they need a check. They need a check to list how many employees they do not input the man hour a day. So I list one row is one row is 1 day, an employee of a day. I list this to a table, and this is an Excel button. When you press Excel, it will set this table into a Excel file. You must know how the system operation. This function, I think by myself. No one teach me. I just think, hey, maybe I can write this function for them. So I write a lot of this query functions for them. For query the project cost, query query the business field check, and many. I just create this function. Create these functions. Query something that you want to check, and set the button to Excel. I write a lot of in-use interface of this, and just by myself. I want to tell you, you got to know how to fill the user requirement, how the company system just operation. You got to know that. So the pooling and finally, the pooling is the basic program. You must learn it well. Learn something well. You will be a good software engineer. Okay, that's it. No one questions? Okay, so next week I will tell you the database. So if you want to know database, you can start it first. I will tell you because database is my best. Okay. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Next week.
Okay.
I will say more the database.
Oh, berarti ini cuma sebenarnya.
我在加工整个其他的机器。